This is the ASUS Lyra Trio Mesh Wi-Fi system. The wirelessly connected Lyra Trio nodes work together to bring you super fast Wi-Fi throughout your entire home. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. Included in the box are 3 Wi-Fi nodes, a power adapter for each node, 1 Ethernet cord, and a quick start guide. You also need a modem that's connected to your Wi-Fi service. Next, download the ASUS Lyra app and follow the step-by-step instructions. Choose one of your nodes to start with. Plug it in, then connect it to your modem with the Ethernet cord. Next, open the ASUS Lyra app and it will guide you through the setup process. Tell the app where your Wi-Fi point is, then choose a network name and password. Once the first node is set up, you can set up the other 2 nodes. Placing Wi-Fi nodes a few rooms away from each other is a good idea. Plug in your next Wi-Fi node and tell the app where it's located. The app will connect to your node and expand your Wi-Fi network. Test the Wi-Fi connection to make sure all your nodes have a strong signal. And that's it. Enjoy your new blazing fast Wi-Fi network through every corner of your home.